a good one. If you are using a poor network in your area and you want to increase it from maybe 2G to 3G, from 3G to 4G, from 4G to 5G, yes, 5G. Follow me on this tutorial. Let me teach you how to use 5G network on every mobile network you're using in Ghana, whether Airtel, Tigo, whether Vodafone, even MTN. Follow me on these tutorials as we dive in with it. And this tutorial um doesn't need any data bundle, but it doesn't need any app for you to make it. Just a phone setting that you must apply. So let's dive in very soon.
I welcome everyone here to this channel, Champions TV GH. They respond home of creativity. Say it again. Home of creativity.
Okay, so
Let's begin with the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and make sure I see your comment. So the first thing you need to do is okay, let me make everything fresh because I'm using the 5G right now. So first of all, open your phone app with the app wherever you used to make call. Then let's dial this secret code *# *# 4636. Yeah. So then you reverse the * again. So #*#. Then another star. Why this star is come to do a magic? Let's watch. You see, something is happening here. So you can see testing at the top left corner. Now you can see phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi information. So we are going to click on the phone information, and you can see IMEI, phone number, IMSI. I'll make a video on what everything means in another video. So current network, I'm using MTN right now, and I'm connected to data service. Yeah. My voice network is HSR. HSR is 4G and 5G. I'm already connected to it, so let me make it fresh. Yeah. So you see I was on airplane mode. I've turned it off. So I'm trying to make everything fresh. You see magic, your phone will be at airplane mode, but you'll be using it to chat. I've been doing this, and 5G network is in Ghana. You don't know. Your network will be very fast. Enlightened. Okay, so just continue. Now, the first step after opening this is turn on your data. If your data is off, turn it on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Turn your data on. After turning it on, you need to turn on your airplane mode. In some phone, we have it as flight mode. I repeat, turn your airplane mode on whilst your data service was already on. I just hope you are getting it. Comment if you are misunderstanding it. Now you can see mobile radio power here is off. You can see it's off here. So you need to change that preferred network type. You need to change it. So what WCDMA is 2G or 3G. That's what I was using currently. I'm using currently. GSM is 2G. WCDMA only is 3G only. So we have a lot. Global Auto. Those using VPN, this is what you need to use. This is Global Auto. Yeah. And let's dive in more. LTE-ONLAN, WCDMA, which is this one is 3G, 4G. You see, but this one alone is 4G and 5G. People think it's not true, but you can see something here. After selecting LTE only 4G, what to make it 5G is radio mobile power. Turn it on here. Turn it on. After turning it on, just refresh it. Refresh like any amount you want. Any update, added doesn't work. Just refresh. You see, then select cell information refresh rate. Immediate it. Yeah, now you can see. Now your data service is connected. Your voice network type is connected. Maybe people think it's not true, but let me send the data. Let me send a message to someone on WhatsApp, or let me open YouTube. YouTube uses huge data. So let me open YouTube to confirm to you that my data service is on house on April and I'm using 4G, 5G. So now you can see YouTube is uploading this opening here. As I said, United. Okay, so you can see K2 here in my home page. You see, I'm online. I can even watch a video, but I think that one is going to waste time. That one is waste time. So that doesn't mean the wasting time doesn't mean it is not my network is low. It will make my video lengthy. Which might not help you. You can see. Let me send a message here. Send a message here. Okay. You can see yeah. Let me react to this. And let me type 94%. This is the second that it will take to deliver. Sorry. See the second it will take to deliver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds. You might still be doubting. Let me just delete this for everyone. I'm deleting this for everyone here. Now let's count the second we delete. 1, 2, 3. It's very fast. Why are you fast? YouTube open. I'm not having TikTok here. I've opened TikTok and we watch videos ourselves. Just give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I will be teaching you more. Make sure you subscribe. Someone is saying I should make you the admin. So I thank you for watching this wonderful awesome video. Make sure you subscribe. That's what I need. If you don't subscribe, who watch my video? The same person who is going to help me, please subscribe. I need your subscribe. And I'm tagging this video to Gentle the Blogger. Gentle the Blogger, may God bless you, and I thank you for all the good deeds you have done for me. Thank you. I met him in Odan. It's in my shop. I'll post the link in my comment section for you to see. Yeah. Gentle the Blogger. Thank you, sir. Okay, so please subscribe and turn on notification. Sharp.